Hey, how's it going? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a day to night script, like a continuous loop, where it goes from day to night, day to night, day to night, and it just keeps doing that. And yeah, so I'm going to get started really quick. And the first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to show you what property we're going to be changing. It's in our lighting, and we're going to be changing our clock time. I think it's easiest just to change the clock time, and it makes it pretty simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my server script service, and I'm going to first define lighting, get our lighting service. Lighting equals game, get service, lighting. And what we want to do next is set our speed. And I'm going to explain the speed a little bit later, so you can see it in action. But for now, I'm going to set local speed equal to 1. Next, we're going to set up our while loop. So while task.wait, do lighting dot clock time is the property that we were using, equals lighting dot clock time plus speed divided by 1,000. And I'm just dividing this by 1,000 just to make it like a decent increment so that the speed is actually a decent number to work with. So right now, you're not going to really notice a big change. Um, when I go into the game, you're not going to really tell that much that the lighting is moving. The sun is moving slowly, but it will go to night. But you can see it slowly moving the clock time as it goes. But to speed this process up or make it slower, you can increase the speed. So if I made it 100, which is 100 times faster than 1, it's going to go really fast or decently fast. Yeah, see how fast the sun and the moon go? The cycle is a lot faster. If I set something like a middle, like 50, probably like 10 or like 25, probably around like 25. It's gonna be that's still pretty fast. Probably like 10. 10 is probably a good speed, right? That's still pretty fast. Anyways, I don't know, maybe like 5. You can play around with the speed as much as you want just to fit your game. And yeah, 1 might be good for you, just the slow change. And yeah, that's about all it is. This is the script. Like I said, you can change this speed however you want. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.